How to transfer a one pieces file to another piece. So let's jump to go to Windows search bar and click on control panel and go to the network and sharing and click on the change advanced sharing settings. Follow these steps. Turn on network discoverability. Turn on file and printer sharing. Enable file sharing for devices that use sport. Turn off password protected sharing and save settings. Create a new folder and name it PC1. Right click on it and give access to specific people and click on the two empty box and click on everyone and then add. Click on add and then change the permission read and write and then save and then share. It will take some time and then you can see this physics file folder path. Right click on it and go to properties and security and go to sharing. Copy the folder location and share it with the Gmail or WhatsApp in it for to use another PC and then go to another PC. I put some file to show you how is it working or not. The copy folder path and click on the Windows search bar and type run and then paste that folder path and then hit OK and folder will. Both of these computers connected in the same Wi-Fi network or internet network